it's Monday night, and this is the second kind of blizzard. It wasn't really a blizzard, the snow has stopped now, but we got another 6 inches out here. People can't drive. I'm riding a bike. Going over to Greg's to watch the football game. Vikings and Bears in the TCF Stadium. We get to watch the Vikings lose outdoors. Alright, I'm at Greg's house and we just hit halftime, so I'm gonna run over to TCF Stadium and see what I can see. You can hear the audio system from all the way over here. I should have left the bike, because I'm just gonna have to end up running through the snow. That's where I'm going. Whew. Man, this is crazy. Running across the railroad tracks. Snow up to my knees. Try to get to TCF Stadium. Almost there. Almost there. I'm about to have a heart attack. Woohoo! Yeah. I arrived just in time. No, it's halftime.
Please go to Vikings.com/MiniVikings.